What is WordPress, Edu? What is it? What is this? Hearing about WordPress everywhere, don't know what WordPress is. Tell me what WordPress is. What is WordPress? Let's go then. WordPress is nothing more than a comprehensive and detailed system. See here, where I'm marking, right? Let's say this is the system. It was designed intelligently, made to be easy so that a person can create a website easily. So it's a little system here just to basically give you an idea. There will essentially be a toolbar here a little bit. I'll explain it very simply for you in a way that is easy to understand, but I'll teach you everything comprehensively. A toolbar. Here in this toolbar, it has several menus. So what happens when you click on one of these menus? Let's say you clicked on the first menu, which is Pages. When you click on this menu, it opens up a variety of options and settings related to the pages on your site. For example, the second menu option is called Pages. After you click on this menu item, it will open up additional information for you to use in building this specific page. Before I continue talking about WordPress, I need to tell you something really cool. You who watched this video from start to finish, look at what I'm going to give you. You won't believe it. You'll say it's not possible, but it is possible, and I'm going to give it to you. Look, just put it on the screen right now. Pay attention carefully. Do you see that exactly? Those are indeed the infoproduct sales, numerous sales of infoproducts. And hey, come here quickly. Do you know how I was making these sales? Like this. Sleeping and making a lot of sales. And Edu, what is this infoproduct? This here is, as you can clearly see, a cell phone, right? This here is, of course, a physical product. The infoproduct is nothing more than a PDF teaching mothers how to get their children off their cell phones. You sell this PDF for, I'll give you an example here. For instance, you sell it for approximately $19.90, right? And let's say your cost to sell this product is $10. $10 in total. How much do you make in this case? Let's calculate. $9.90. Got it? So, almost 100% of your return. So if you put, well, I'm going to put $2,000 here. I am going to put $2,000 into this product here. If you can get the metrics right, you will get another $2,000 back. In other words, what investment do you make with that? It doesn't exist. There is no investment at all. And Edu, are you going to sell me that? Because people, all I see internet is sales. Everywhere people are selling something. 4 lessons and then sell. I'm not going to sell you anything. Relax, breathe, stay calm. Here, it's pure valuable content, okay? So, let's go. What do you need to get this complete course? It's a complete course. It's not just 4 little lessons. No, it's a complete course. What do you need? You need to watch this video from the beginning to the end. Watch the video from beginning to end. There is no point in skipping. Oh, I skipped the video. No one will know that I skipped the video from the channel. You will know. We can find out. The channel motivating will know if you skip the video. So watch the video from beginning to end. Leave a like down below. It's not like your finger's going to fall off. It's impossible. Quickly, boom, you left a like and everything's good. Leave a like. Leave a really cool, creative, and different comment down below, okay? A really great, interesting, and unique comment. And in the description of this video, there will be a link. You click on that link, and through it, you will be able to talk directly with the people from the Motivando channel, with the support of the Motivando channel. And then you're going to say something like, look, here's the thing, took the screenshot there. Look, I saw this video. Edu told me that I'm going to get this complete course here, so on and so forth, you know. If I liked, commented, and subscribed to the channel, do that, and the course is yours. Beautiful, awesome, cool. It's settled. Now let's get to what matters, right? Because we want to know. Edu, I came to this video wanting to know what WordPress is. And then you start talking about the different kinds of info products. But I want to deliver valuable and meaningful value to you. I want you to be a truly distinguished and unique Brazilian who isn't working hard just to earn a pittance and only paying bills in this day and age. And it's an easy thing to do just to make ends meet. I gave you a detailed example of how to create a product in order to successfully and effectively get the child off the screen. Getting the child who spends the whole day on the cell phone to stop. The mother doesn't know what to do anymore. This affects the child's mind, their learning, and a lot of other things. How to do this? Hey, how do you do this, man? No, there's a little thing called, don't mind my handwriting, it's ugly, huh? This here, look, ChatGPT, okay? This thing here, it has all the knowledge of the universe. It even went beyond the board, the writing I did. He has all the knowledge of the universe. You will input it in ChatGPT. I will teach everything in the course, but you will have it do it for you. The digital book is like a PDF, a digital book. So it will create the topics for you, nice and neat. And then you will use another tool called Canva. With Canva, you will make a nice cover, the little boy here making drawings, and anything else that keeps the child away from the phone. And then you will need a platform to advertise this product. It's that simple. All right? Shall we get to the content then? Let me open up the computer screen here and I'll show you. I've already told you more or less what WordPress is. What is WordPress? I'll put it here in the corner. WordPress is what you are seeing here. It's a little system, just like I told you. It has this left sidebar. Then it has this middle part here, this middle part here that has some information. When you click here, I'll give an example. I clicked here on page. Look, it will give you the option. I clicked on library. Let me click on page to make it right. I clicked on page. It will give you the option to add a new page. So just for you to understand quickly here, let me go back again. What can be done on WordPress? What is WordPress? What is it? What can be done with this tool? With WordPress, you can create, let's go, let me write here, just for you to see. You can create an online store on WordPress. You can create a landing page, including, again, an online store. You can create a landing page. If you can read landing page, I don't even know if I wrote it wrong. If I wrote it wrong, I'm sorry. And what is a landing page? The landing page is what I showed you a little while ago. It is a simple page. A landing page is a simple page. Some call it a one page. It's just one page. And it sells. Others call it a sales page. And you convince the person on the landing page to sell a product to them. So it's a landing page. You can make it with WordPress. You can make a virtual store with WordPress. You can make a landing page. You can make a forum with WordPress. Oops, I put a P here, a forum, okay? You can make it with WordPress. There are so many things, guys, that I don't know if I will remember everything. You can make a blog with WordPress. Okay, I want to rank a blog on Google, WordPress. So what is WordPress, Edu? It's the most brilliant idea ever conceived on planet Earth to make people's lives easier, man. Why? Because it used to be a hassle, dude. Before, for you to make a website, just so you know, I worked with this for many years, decades. That's why I'm speaking with authority here. Before, to create a website, you needed to put here HTML, close here, then write. Then here is the top part, the head of the site. After you finished all the head code, then here you would close the head. Everything is written very wrong here. I just simply want to explain it to you as quickly as possible, okay? And then there was the body, which is what indeed? This is the body of the website. All of this used to be done manually, folks. Everything was done manually. Code, pure code. It was code all the time, man. It was crazy. Then they had the brilliant idea to create WordPress, something really easy, where everything is written out. If you come here, look, I'll give you an example. This is that page over there that I showed you, right? Damn, I have a habit of crossing the edge of the thing. Here is the page I showed you, right? Here, just to make it easy. This is the tools page on the left-hand side, as you can see, right here, on the left-hand side. All right? Wonderful, perfect, tools page. You just clicked on an option here. Let me simply change the color to make it easier for you. You clicked here. I'm not changing the color. You clicked here on the pages section, just like I clicked there for you. It will open more information about pages for you here in the middle. Oh, I clicked on the post section, which is for creating a blog. It will show in this same section here the information to create a new post for the blog. I clicked here on the theme option. Let's say you have the entire website ready there. And then you want to change the theme. The theme is already outdated. You are going to change the theme and it will change your entire website. You will change the theme. This didn't exist before, folks. Before, to make changes, you had to do everything manually, which was difficult. So, what is WordPress? Summarize it for me. Man, I've been on this video for a while now. What is WordPress? It's a system that came to make my life, your life, everyone's life easier. There are more than, if I'm not mistaken, indeed 7 or 70 million websites on WordPress, if I'm not mistaken. So it is one of the most widely used tools in the world for a variety of things, including online stores. So let's go. This video was just to tell you what WordPress is. Edu, I definitely, absolutely want the complete course on WordPress, man. Want the complete course on WordPress? See it here? It's a playlist that you will click on. If you click on this playlist, what is a playlist, Edu? It's the complete course. I teach the beginning, the middle, and all about WordPress. All you need to know about WordPress is in this playlist. Click there. Do everything I tell you there, and then please closely follow the first video, the second video, the third, the fourth, and then follow my instructions. Oh, this is awesome. Take advantage of it being free. Take advantage of this valuable content, all right? Thank you so much for your attention. Really, I'm super happy that you're watching me here. Thank you from the bottom of my heart, all right? And I'll see you in the playlist, okay? Click on the playlist and I'll be there to tell you everything about WordPress.